Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a collage on Snapchat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Snapchat, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, creating a collage on Snapchat is an easy and a straightforward process because Collage allows you to tell a more comprehensive story by combining multiple images or videos into one cohesive visual narrative. This is particularly useful for sharing moments from an event, trip, or daily activities. But I suggest that you do the collage on your mobile device and just open the Snapchat app because it's a lot easier to do it from there, all right? Now, once you are here inside the Snapchat app, I need you to go to the lens, tap and explore, and from here, click on the search option, all right? Now, what you need to do is type in Snapchat, that's going to be Snapchat Collage Maker. Press enter, and there you go. All you're going to do is select from these options. Now, all you're going to do is choose, all right? It's up to you. There's a lot of options that you can choose from. Now, I'm going to be choosing this one instead. Now, from here, all you're going to do is hover to the images that you wanted to post here. Select all of the images. And after that, just save. And that's how you basically create a collage here on the Snapchat. It's a fairly straightforward process. It's an easy thing to do. Now, the idea is instead of sending multiple snaps separately, creating a collage allows you to share several images or videos in one snap. All right? Especially if you have multiple photos or videos related to a theme or topic, a collage enables you to showcase them all at once without overwhelming your audience with individual posts. It's a concise way to share a variety of content in one snap. And of course, collages can be used to celebrate special occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, or milestones by compiling memorable moments into a single snap. It's a convenient way to reminisce and of course share joyful memories with friends and followers. And again, it's an easy and a straightforward process here on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.